So in the last project I made this album, and it's happened to be I have this perfect box in which we can fit this album. And if you want to see how I made this, you can see in my channel. Now you can see this box is perfect. I don't have to do much more for this. So what I will do for this box is I'm gonna cut these flips which are extra. Sometimes it's happened that with you that you will get so this is just a box for the sweet I bought a few days before. So I just want, you can use this for making covers also. Most of the times I use to make this kind of box for making album covers, but this has just happened to be so perfect for this album, and I'm glad I didn't use it, because making boxes is kind of a tedious process. Not that thing is very easy. Now you can see inside, so we can just glue this flip inside, because it must be like same size, so we don't have to do much thing for that. And again I'm using the same glue. You can use double-sided tape also, but hot glue gun also. But I find this glue works very well. So I'm gonna just put that inside, and now I'm just pushing so that it will stay there. Now you have to just measure that what is the size of the box all around, so that you can cut the paper. So this is supposed to be 7 1/4 by 7 1/4 by 6 3/4. Okay, so I'm gonna just cut 2 pieces of that size. So it's again I'm gonna use the pencil here. This is my 7 1/4 by 6 3/4. I use mostly the stem hole scales. It's easily line up that way because they have that square marks in there. And before cutting the another paper with the same dimensions, I will just put this paper on it and see if whatever I did is good or not. And I think, yeah, so it is having a little bit more on this side. I need a little bit more on this side. So what will I do? I will use this paper to cover this side. And I'm gonna cut another 2 sheets. So it is, how much it is? It is 3 3 3/4. Okay, so easiest way to fold it properly is the bone folder. So this is we are using on the longer side. You can directly make a marks on it if you are little bit concerned about exact measuring. And so basically I need these two, only one paper on this side to cover it, and then I need 2 papers on other side to cover this portion and this portion. And then what I'm planning to do is, okay, it's moving. And now what I'm planning to do is I can just fold that black paper inside so that it is more nicer that way. But problem is that the box inside is white, so if I cover that with the black paper, it will look more contrast like this. And if I use the white paper, let's see how it's gonna look. It looks not bad. So you can see it's like this. So this side we have black, so on that side we will also make a black, and maybe for the main front faces we're gonna make it white. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm showing you the album I make for a gift. And this is the bag, and I'll show you the album. And this is the album. So this is the bag. It's from, you can see it's from both the sides. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Renuka, and today I'm showing you this album which I made giving gift for someone. So I repurposed this bag, and you can see how I did it on my channel. And then I made this box, just kind of putting this album inside, and I will show you the album now. So this is the album. This is the front of the album. This is the back side of the album, and this is how it opens. It has many pages. I'll show you one by one. So this is the first one. I put this picture here thing so that recipient can understand that where we want to show the picture. Here, one picture, here. You can tuck the picture inside also. That's the another stuff, and you can just peel apart these. I didn't use the much strong glue. Then here then we have some more photo mats. Okay, so these are the more photo mats. There is a pocket, you can add more. This opens like this. So here we have photos, this side we have photos, inside also we have photos, and this is also a photo, and this is nice saying all around it, and it lays really flat. Okay, so you can use as a lap. And I make this small notebook kind of stuff where you can kind of journaling spot where you can write something about your Christmas things. Again, a spot for the photo. I just add 2 tags here, and then in the next there are multiple pockets. Here the pictures, again you can see here also a picture. Then here is one picture. This is also a picture. So you can put pictures on both the side of this mat, or if you don't want to, you can just keep them just like that. That will also do. I'll put this here. Again, this side also same picture on this back, picture on this back. So here are many pockets. You can put picture here also. Then on the next page we have picture on this side, and you can put front also. And then this is, again you can put picture. This is the small picture stuff. You can write some notes or make another card there. And then this is picture here, so you can move this and see the pictures. This, as well as both of these sides of the penguins, we have pictures, places to put pictures, I mean. Then this side also. Then I made this side also. It's a kind of a belly band. Then this side also we have this picture spot here, and the same as here, as we put a snow day here. And then I just put the note for the teacher, because I'm gifting this to my kids' teacher. And this is another way of journaling spot, or they can write to-do list of Christmas. I again put few picture spots here, and I'll show you how I did. I just put the small dots here of the glue, nothing much, and then I just put these so that they can just remove it and see that here's the pictures. And then I put few more stickers here. Again, you can have few pictures on the back also. So add this extra sheets here just for a fun. And then this one, and this is the tag, I wrote name. And then we have this magical winter, and this is our big kind of album. I hope you like it, and you can see the full tutorial how I made it on the channel. Then this box I covered on this side and this side also, and then I'm gonna put all of this stuff inside. And after putting this here, I'm gonna just slide this album inside this big thing, and that's it. So until the next crafty video, have a crafty life. Bye bye.